Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the visibility and lock features on the layers panel. Just a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have quite a variety of different software we cover and we do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise we're back in the program here. Now if you look here on the top right, we'll notice these two icons, the eye icon and the lock icon. These are, the eye icon is to show and hide visibility of layers. So if we go on the group here with eyes and we click that one, you'll see all the eyes disappear. But a good thing to keep in mind, if layers are in a group, if I put the eyes back of these ones, you still do not see it. So the group has to have its eye as well. And then you can individually remove eyes from these. So if you only want to show a certain ones, and also keep in mind, if an eye icon is not there, then those layers won't be previewed or cut, so it won't be sent to the cutter. And next up we have the lock icon, which you locate here. If the lock icon is on, then that layer cannot be edited or moved. You can find this a lot if you downloaded some project file and the whole thing is locked. Then you can just simply, if you open it, you can click on those lock things and then you're able to edit it. And a quick way to remove all the eyes or all the locks, you can always go to this little menu on top here. Then we go down to lock, and we have here lock all layers, unlock all layers. If you click that, now you'll notice all the layer unlocks are gone. Now if we do the same for the eyes, you can go hide all, and then all the eyes are hidden. So that's the basics on the eye and lock the layers. You just head to the website here. If you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. You can also see we've got quite a variety of different software we cover. And then if you're looking for something specific, you can just go to the search option on the top right here. If you don't find what you're looking for, just request the training video and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.